our weekly chart. Okay, let's check our weekly chart. So this was actually a long-term trade. This is what, when we get such alerts, we just buy at spot trade and keep, right? So we got this alert when Bitcoin was around 34,000. As you can see, entering level was at 34,000. When Bitcoin was around 34,000, we got the alert to buy Bitcoin at 34,000. And as you can see, there was a take profit T1 of 44,000, and after that we have another take profit TP2 at what, 50,000. Then after that we have a TP3 of what, 63,000. And as you can see clearly, from this entry level of 34,000, we've hit what, TP1, we've hit what, TP2, and we've also hit what, TP3. But this is a long-term trade, right? So this is not the kind of trade you trade with leverage. This kind of trade that, okay, when you get the indicator gives us a signal, we just place a spot buy. Then you wait for it to play out. When you get to TP1, we cancel or we close 50% of our position. We sell 50% of the Bitcoin that we had in our portfolio. Then when you get to what, TP2, we sell 50% of what was left from that 50% that we sold. Then after I get to TP3, we sell the rest of our bag. Then we wait for the next action. And that was exactly what we did. So as you can see, now it has gotten to the TP3. It went up a little bit and got the higher high, and now we're having some retracement. As you can see, there was a resistance line here. This line here is actually called a resistance line. Then we have another support line, which is usually green. Yeah, so this is actually a support line. So when you see this kind of line in our indicator, this is a support line, while this one is a resistance line. In our community also, I also teach how to be able to draw your support and resistance line, which will be able to guide you to make some good technical analysis and to make some good informed decisions, because you don't just put your money where your mouth is not placed. You have to be sure that when I put my money in this trade, I have analyzed it and I am convinced based on some laid down principle that is a good trade, and then you'll be sure to make some success in this business. So I should just throw some light on this issue. So I'll see you guys later. So if you're interested in joining our community, the link is in my bio. You can just click it and check it out for yourself. Alright, see you guys later. Have a nice day.